Hello everyone, as you can see on my screen, I recently got some interesting results from Adsterra network. If you want to understand how I achieved this outcome, make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm going to share with you step by step. You do not need to worry about any kind of skills and experience. You do not need to worry about any kind of traffic. I'm going to share with you simple and beginner friendly method. If you want to understand the full method, make sure to watch this video till the end. As always, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on Adsterra platform. Guys, this is the best and most popular advertising platform. You can use this platform to advertise your product and services. You can also use this platform to monetize your traffic. Here you can see this platform is getting 1.6 billion conversions per year. Here you can see ad formats. You can use pop under ads to monetize your website. You can use social bar. You can use direct link, native banners. You can use any of this ad format to monetize your website. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. If you want to advertise your product and services, then you can click on this button. If you want to monetize your traffic, then you can click on this button. Here you can see you can monetize your website, in-app or social media traffic like Facebook and TikTok. You can get here high CPM rates. You can get browser friendly ads. You can type here your email address. You can type here unique login ID. You can select your messenger type. Like you can select your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Now you can type here your Instagram ID. You can type here your first name, last name. You can type your password. You can select your country. Now you can verify this CAPTCHA. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. And at last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see on my screen, I recently got some interesting results from Adsterra network. You can click on this button. Now you can click on a smart links button. Here you can see you can create a smart link. You can add the link anywhere. You can paste a smart link in any social media post or website. You can also add a smart link on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and more. You can click on add a smart link button. Now you can select your traffic type. If you want to add a smart link on your website, if your website have adult traffic, then you can select here this option. If you do not have adult traffic, then you can choose this option. If you want to show adult ads, then you can enable this option. I do not want to show adult ads. At last, you can click on add button. Here you can see I have created a smart link. Here you can see a status. This smart link is active. You can get a smart link approval within 3 minutes. After getting approval, you can click on copy link button. Now in next step, you can go on Google and you can search your shortener. You can visit on any of the shortener website. Now you can paste your smart link. Click on shorten URL button. Here you can see shorten URL. You can click here to copy the shorten URL. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can share that shorten link on any social media post or website. You can share that shorten link on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and more. Let me show you how you can share that shorten link on Facebook. You can visit on Facebook. You can click here. You can upload your image. You can upload any kind of attractive image. Now you can paste here a smart link. Click on post button. Here you can see I have shared a smart link on Facebook. You can click on share button. Now click on your story button. Yeah, here we go. You can see I have shared a story on Facebook. I have inserted a smart link in this story. Guys, I'm sure you will have lots of friends on Facebook. If you will create a story on Facebook, then your story will be reached to all your Facebook friends. Your Facebook friends can watch your story. For example, if your Facebook friends open this story, they can see this post. When your friends will click on this post, then they are redirected to this page. When your Facebook friends click on this smart link, then Adsterra may credit your account. Guys, you can also share your smart link on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get more clicks. So guys, this is the process many creators use on Adsterra to get solid results. If you enjoyed the tutorial, hit the like button and check out my other videos.